Raffles Girls Primary School Prelim Exam, Primary 6, 2022, Paper 1. So what I will do is I will go through selected multiple choice question in booklet A. The question that I want to go through is question number 12 and 15. Okay. The rest is pretty simple. Let's go to question 12. Question 12 is a guess and check question. So the way to approach this is to first understand what the question involves. The question said that Elsie had a mixture of 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents, and $1 coins. So there are 4 types of coins. Now, what she did was she picked 5 coins and used 2 of them. So if we pick 5 coins, she used 2 of them, she will have 3 coins remaining. The question is, what is the possible value of these 3 coins? So these 3 coins can be either 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents, or $1. All right. So let's go through one at a time. For 3 coins, let's go through, let's see whether it's one possible. Okay. If the 3 coins, it can be made up of $1 and 2 10 cents, right? $1 plus 2 10 cents, 1 10 cent and another 10 cents. So it's $1.20. So this is possible. So the other one, she picked up, the other one is $1.80. It is not possible because if I use my first coin as $1, my second coin as 50 cents, I don't have a 30-cent coin. So this is not possible. So it is likely that this is the answer. Okay, it's likely. Let's continue with next item, which is 220. That can be done. You can have $1. You can have a second $1, and then you can have a 20 cents. So altogether, $2.20. So this is possible. Let's talk about this. Option 4. You can have 2 $1, $1, another $1 plus a 50 cents. That will still give you $2.50. So it is possible. So the answer is 2. Let's continue with question number 15. Question 15, it's a ratio question. At a fruit store, mango and pears were placed in box A and B. In box A, the ratio is 3:4. So box A, the ratio of mangoes to pears is 3:4. Then you have box B, the ratio of mangoes to pears is 3:5. Box B, mangoes to pears is 3:5. All right. Now we also know there's a next statement here. There is 4 times as many fruits in box B than box A. So we will compare box A, B 4 times. All right. Let's look at the total. The total in this ratio is 7, and the total in this ratio is 8. So the common base here is this value. Let me show you the color. This value and this value has to be the same. This value and this value has to be the same. All right. So first thing we do is we make A the same. It's the easiest. So just times 7, I get 7. And then over here, 4 times 7, I get 28. Next, I need to make, now that I make A the same, I need to make B the same. A bit challenging, yeah. It's not that difficult. 8 and 28. So, okay, your multiplication concept must be pretty strong to mentally able to see that 28 times 2 is 56. And 56 is a multiple of 8. Because 8 times 7 gives you 56. All right, so these two numbers are the same. So let's do 28 times 2 is 56. Therefore, 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 7 is 56. 5 times 7 will be 35. 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, now you'll notice 14 and 3 is not 14 and 7 is not the same anymore. So what we do is very simple. I just need to times 2 over here. I'll get 14. I'll get 8 here. 3 times 2 is 6. Now I have all the common base done. 14 and 14, 56 and 56. Question is, find the ratio of pairs in box A to pairs in box B. So pairs in box A, so these pairs, box A to box B. Pairs in box A will be 8. Pairs in box B will be 35. So answer is 4. So okay, good. Now we are going to do the paper booklet B. We move on to booklet B. I'll do every questions in booklet B. So for question 16, the first thing you do is you got to do what's inside the bracket first. So 7 times, copy 54 first, and inside the bracket, you see there's a division. Do the division in the bracket. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Continue to do what's in the bracket. 54 minus 4 is 50 plus 4. Next, you do multiplication. 7 times 50 is 350 plus 4. Don't do the addition. Always do bracket first, then multiplication and division. Then after that, do addition and subtraction from left to right. Left to right. So this is step 1, do the bracket first. What's inside brackets. Number 2, do addition, multiplication, division. Number 3, do the plus and minus from left to right. So answer 350 plus 4 is 354. That's answer 354. Let's continue with question number 17. So a charity concert starts at 7:45. There is a break of 10 minutes. The concert is 1 hour 45 minutes long, excluding the break. At what time does the concert end? Answer in 24 hours clock. Be careful, don't answer in. So this is a timeline. We start at 7:45 p.m. Okay, there is a 10 minutes break. So let's do a 10 minutes here. You will get 7:55 p.m. Then you have 1 hour 45 minutes. So 1 hour first. 1 hour you get 8:55 p.m. Now let's extend a little bit. You have another 45 minutes. So 45 minutes is, you can do it mentally. The 5 minutes out of this 45 minutes, you can do this 40 and 5, right? So 5 minutes with 55 is 9 p.m. 9 p.m. plus 40 is 9:40 p.m. So that's the answer. Oh no, wait, you want 24 hours, so convert 24 hours, 9:40 p.m. in 24-hour clock is 21:40. So answer is 2140. Let's continue with question number 18. So question 18 is arithmetic, so should be simple, and I expect you to get it right. 56 divided by 6, next number. So divided by 6, no, I divide by 3 first. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 56 divided by 3 is 28. If you can't do a long division, 56 divided by 3, 1 times 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 6. And then this is sorry, I minus 56 divided by 2, not 3. 2 times 2, 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down your 6. 8 times 2, 16. So it's 28. Okay. Then you can, this 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So answer is 28 over 3. Change to the simplest form as a mixed number. You will get 9 and 1 over 3. So this is 9, 1 over 3. Next one, 9.03, subtract 0.38. Okay. So what you do is borrow from here, get 8, become 10, borrow from here, become 9, and here become 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. Make sure your decimal point is in line. 8 minus 0 is 8. So answer is 865. 865. Let's continue with question number 20. So the average mass of Mr. Lim and his 2 children, Mr. Lim and 2 children is 44. So there are 3 people altogether. Given average, you must find total. So total is 44 multiplied by 3. So there are 3 people altogether. 44 times 3 is 132. The total mass of Andy and Benny is the same as Mr. Lim. So you can do it this way. Andy plus Benny is the same as Mr. Lim. And that's their total mass, 132. So if I use 132 divided by 2, I get a mass of Mr. Lim, 66. Okay, that's what the question was, Mr. Lim, 66 kilograms. Let's continue with question number 21. Find the value of 3/4 plus 1/5. This is pretty easy. 3/4 plus 1/5. Change to the same denominator. 15 over 20 times 5 times 5, okay? Times 4 times 4 plus 4 over 20. You get 19 over 20. This is easy. Okay, this is a 4/5 divided by 12. We change our division to multiplication. The 12 will be flip over, become 1 over 12. Simplify, divide by 4, 1, divided by 4, 3. You get 5 times 3, 15. So the answer is 1 over 15. Let's look at question number 22. Fiona bought 350 meters of ribbon to make some bow ties. She used up all the ribbon to make 200 large bow ties and 100 small bow ties. She needed 1.34 meters of ribbon to make 1 large bow tie. What was the length of ribbon needed to make 1 small bow tie? So first, you know that she made 200 large bow tie, and each large bow tie is 1.34 meter. So 200 large bow tie will need 200 times 1.34 meters, and you get okay, mentally you can do this, 2 times 100 times 1.34. This one way you can do it. 100 times 1.34 is 134. 2 times 134 is 268. Okay, this is how we do it without calculator. So after making 200 large bow ties, the remaining ribbon will be equal to 350 minus 268. Remaining ribbon is 82. Okay, the answer required is in meter. So this is 82 centimeter, 82 meter. Wait, am I in centimeter? Oh, this is 82. Now, so answer is 82. Let's continue with the next question. Sorry, the question asks for one small bow tie. So, okay, it's not, this is 82 is for 100 small bow tie. So I need to divide 82 by 100 to get one small bow tie. That you will get 0.82. So answer should be 0.82 meter. Let's continue with question number 23. The question asks for the parameter of the figure in terms of P. Okay, over here, it's 5 minus 2, 3P. This is 5P. This is 10P. This is the same. 5 minus 2P, 3P. This will be equal to 10 minus 2P. This is 2P as well now because it says a square. Okay, so this is also 2P. Therefore, this will be equal to 8P. And this is equal to 8P. So the parameter of the figure is this. AP plus 5P plus 10P plus 3P plus 8P plus 5P plus 10P plus 3P. So you can see there's 2 3P, 2 10P, 2 8P, and 2 5P, right? So, so 2 10P will be 10P plus 10P plus 2 3P is 3P plus 3P plus 2 5P, 5P plus 5P plus and 2 8P. So altogether, very carefully, it is actually 52P. So answer is 52. P, sorry, there's a P. Let's look at question 24. Gupta walked from his home to school, which was 2.4 kilometers away. He walked at an average speed of 80 meters per minute. How many minutes did he take to reach school? So to help yourself, I will recommend you draw the speed triangle or pyramid so that you get your formula right. So the question is asking for minutes, which is time. Time means the formula for time will be distance divided by speed. Okay, before you do anything, make sure you all are consistent in terms of unit. This is in kilometers, take note, and this is in meter. So we recommend always follow the units in the speed value. The speed value is in meter per minute. So the rest should follow the speed units. So let's convert 2.4 kilometer into meters. You get 2400 meter times 1000. Okay, so to find the time, which is the minutes, which is time, is distance divided by speed. Distance divided by speed. So distance will be 2400 divided by speed 80. And the answer will be 30. 30 minutes. Let's continue with, okay, if you are so someone asking me how to do this without calculator. What you can do is do this. Cancel 0 divided by 1 divided by 830. That's how I do. Okay. Let's continue question number 25. So first, let's find out. The question is find the sum of A, B, C. So whenever a question asks you for a sum of a few angles, very likely it is not possible to find individual angles. Okay. So the way to do this is, first let's find what is this angle. This angle at a point, which is 360 minus 246, you get 114. So this is 114. Now, this angle and this angle are angled inside a parallelogram, and they both add up into 180 degrees. So 180 minus 114, I will get 66 degrees. So this is 66 degrees. So this is a quadrilateral. Angle inside a quadrilateral will add up to 360. So if I use 360 minus away 66, the remaining angle is ABC. 294. So that's the answer. Let's continue with question 26. The table below shows charges for bicycle rental. Kelly needed a bicycle from rental bicycle from 9 a.m. to 10:45. How much did she pay? So this is, let's draw a timeline from 9 a.m. to 10:45. So 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. first, it is 1 hour. 10 a.m. to 10:45, 45 minutes. So for this 1 hour, she'll pay $2. For this 45 minutes, you'll pay 80 cents times 2, because 45 minutes is made up of 1/2 an hour and another 15 minutes, which is part of a half an hour. So therefore, there's two groups of half an hour inside 45 minutes. So altogether with $2 plus 80 cents plus 80 cents. Answer is $3.60. Okay, let's continue with question number 27. So look at this. You have two squares and two equilateral triangles. So if this is a square, the sides are equal. And if this is an equilateral triangle, the size is also equal to this, the side of the same square. Now let's look at this one, the other one. This is a square, the sides are equal, and this is equilateral triangle. So this side, the side of this equilateral triangle will be same as the side of the bigger square. So if I call this A, and if I call this B, and you see that they are all together we are altogether 5B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5B and 5A, right? And you can see that this AB is actually made up of this A plus B, 25. So 5A plus 5B is actually 25 times 5. You get 125. So that's the answer, 125 cm. Let's continue next question. Question number 28. So Yen and Lin had some stickers. After Yen gave 34 stickers to Lin, she had 60 stickers more than Lin. So let's look at how they look like in the end. So this is Yen and this is Lin. This is how they look like in the end. They have 60 stickers. Okay, Yen has 60 stickers more than Lin in the end. But before that, Yen has actually given Lin 34 stickers. So before that, Yen is actually having this 34, which she gave it to Lin. So whatever Lin have here, 34 came from Yen. So this is what Lin had at first. And this is what Yen had at first. Lin at first, Yen at first. So which means this is their original difference. So how much more stickers than Lin did Yen have at first? Answer is 34 plus 60 plus 34. 128. Okay, let's do 29. The question is, how many people enjoy the accelerator ride? So from this diagram, we can see that the transformer and accelerator is 90 degrees. That means it's 1/4 of all the people, right? Or 1/4 will be 25%. Right, 1/4 is 25%. 1/4 is equal to 125. So this is 25%. Transformer accelerator is 25%. We also know that the transformer to the accelerator is 4:1. So let's do it. This transformer to accelerator is 4:1. So if you are comparing the number of people between transformer accelerator is 4:1. Given that 40% took the mummy ride and 40% is equal to 240. So 40% is equal to 240. Put an arrow, you mustn't put equal sign for percentage. 1% will be 240 divided by 40. Simplify. Divide by 4, 1, divide by 4, 6. So 1% is 6. 25% will be equal to 6 times 25, and that will give you 150. Meaning transformer and accelerator together has 150 pupils. So this is equal to 150 people. 5 units, 150 people. 4 plus 1 is 5 units. 5U is 150. 1U is 150 divided by 5, and then you get 30. And 1U is the accelerator. So answer is 30 pupils took the accelerator right. Let's look at the last question, and then we can call it a day. So Mr. Min used 4/7 of his money to buy 6 apples and 9 oranges. So 4/7 to buy 6 apples and 9 oranges. And we know that the cost of 3 apples is the same as 2 oranges. 3 apples has the same price as 2 oranges. No, here is 6. Here is 3. We can make them the same. Let's make it to 6 apples times 2. This oranges times 2 as well, you get 4 oranges. So therefore, I can say that 6 apples is equivalent to 4 oranges. And then let's copy this now down. So 4/7 of Mr. Min's money can be used to buy an equivalent of 9 plus 4, 13 oranges. So 1/7 of Mr. Min's money can buy 13/4 oranges. right? 13 divided by 4. The question is, with the money he had left, which is 3/7 of his money, how many oranges can Mr. Nin buy? So 13 over 4 times 3. You get 39 over 4. And you simplify, you get 9 3/4. The question is the most number. So you can't consider 3/4. So the most is 9. Answer is 9 oranges. That's it. I'll see you all again next week.